In this course, we're going to build a full UX designer's portfolio, but the principles of design and development we're covering can apply to portfolios and projects of all types. And we'll be using the same exact CSS properties used by Apple and Stripe and Awards, almost every development leader throughout the industry. Now, whether you're advanced or you're just getting started in web design and development, we're here to give you the guidance.
I changed it again because Playfair is very 2016.
Yeah, we're filming. Do you mind?
Yeah, keep going. I have my coffee.
Is that a pumpkin
spice latte? No, that's not even a Swedish thing.
Throughout this course, we'll be referencing Sada's portfolio design in Figma, and we'll build it as a production-ready site, a CMS-driven portfolio, right in Webflow. Now, we designed this course to be taken over 21 days, one main lesson every day. And we did this not only to absorb the information at a pace we find works really well for designers, but to work on a lot of this yourself, to build and iterate on your portfolio design throughout the course. At the center of that, Greemer's also going to be here with what he's calling a 21-day challenge. Greemer?
Maguire?
Did you want to let us know about...
The 21-day challenge is exactly that. As you go through the course and design or update your own portfolio, I'm going to use my significant influence to share some of our favorite work on Webflow social channels. So just wait. I have some stuff planned.
We'll come back to Greemer after each major lesson. Now, Figma's where Sada started to design an example portfolio for a fictional UX designer named Megan, who's an amalgam.
That is not even words.
It's a word.
Yeah, I'm on Merriam-Webster.
That's not it.
And amalgam is not a word.
Megan's portfolio is based on several extremely effective design portfolios we've learned from through the years, and we'll cover every step of the process. This means we'll cover the homepage, project pages for each client, or for each rebuild that's being featured, a contact page, and we'll take it even further by building out 2D and 3D interactions, Google Analytics, Open Graph and SEO settings, and everything else needed to ensure we've checked and reviewed our portfolio before we publish it to the web. The objective here is to create a clean, direct representation of Megan's work, so potential employers or clients can quickly make a decision about reaching out to Megan for UX design services. And we're doing this over 21 parts, 3 weeks if you're doing this one lesson a day. Or, of course, you can take this at your own pace. But we'll break things down from the very beginning. So if this is your first design and development project in Webflow, we'll give you all the tools you need to be successful. If you're already familiar with advanced web design and web development, a lot of this stuff will feel right at home. Now, there's something different about this course, something different from every other course in the world. If you look at this newspaper, you'll see it's dated December 21st.
2021.
That's absolutely correct. To those in this studio, this is today's paper. But to anyone watching this before December 21st, 2021, this course is from the future. The future is incredible.
So incredible.
Especially with the Apple product launch.
So expensive.
Space gray. But here's the thing. We took everything we learned from the future, brought it back to the start of the year, and presented it in this course. Is that illegal?
Yes.
Questionable. Now remember, we almost always release lessons earlier on Webflow University, so check there for the most up-to-date parts of this course if you're not doing that already. But whether you're following along from the past, the present, or the future, we're really excited to cover each and every aspect of this design portfolio for a completely fictional person.